Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask questions on the Nextdoor application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nextdoor application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to use your credentials to log in. So use your email address or your phone number followed by your password, and then tap on the login button to log into your account. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can browse through the various different posts that have been made within your neighborhood. Now, if you wish to ask any questions within these posts, then you can tap on the comment menu, and this will allow you to type in your comment within the post. You can simply type in your question within the comment section using the comment feature. Now, if your question is for the support team of Nextdoor, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on help. Now, from the help page, you will be taken into an additional page within your browser from which you can ask for any question by navigating to your preferred section. When you tap on help from this page, by scrolling down, you will find the feedback section at the bottom right corner. Tap on the drop menu and then choose I came to contact customer support. Once you choose this option, you can tap on next and then proceed with answering the questions. After answering all of the questions, you will be allowed to enter your feedback or ask your question to the support team. Go ahead and type in your question within the question box and then tap on the submit option. Once you tap on submit, you might be asked to log into your account within the web browser, so go ahead and log into your account and your question will be sent to the support team right away. You will then need to wait for your response, which you will receive within a few days. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to ask a question on the Nextdoor platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.